The U.S. State Department on Tuesday reported its first coronavirus fatality among the staff at its headquarters in Washington, bringing the total death toll in its global workforce due to the outbreak to 5. The individual passed over the weekend. William Walters, Deputy Chief Medical Officer for Operations in the Bureau of Medical Services, told reporters in a teleconference. He was hospitalized for some time fighting the coronavirus and ultimately did succumb. Walters said that the deceased individual, a civil servant, had been out of the office for more than 2 weeks. He did not provide further details, including in what role the individual served at the State Department, citing privacy issues. Among the other 4 fatalities in the State Department's global workforce, 3 others were locally employed staff in foreign missions, while a 4th person, a contractor working in New York, died of the illness last week. The department is currently tracking a total of 297 cases overseas, including 182 active and 115 recovered, while domestically another 71 cases were also being monitored, Walters said. 4 of those had also been recovered, he added. More than 1.92 million people have been reported to be infected by the novel coronavirus globally, and 120,670 have died, according to a Reuters tally. Infections have been reported in more than 210 countries and territories since the first cases were identified in China in December 2019. The virus has upended normal life across the globe. In the United States, which has recorded more fatalities from the illness than any other country, the death toll on Tuesday topped 25,000, doubling in 1 week, according to a Reuters tally. Trump approval rises, but more Americans support Biden for president, poll. The number of Americans who approve of President Donald Trump rose by 5 percentage points over the past week, but registered voters still favor Democrat Joe Biden for president by a small margin, according to a Reuters Ipsos opinion poll released on Tuesday. The poll, conducted Monday and Tuesday, also showed that the public is paying closer attention to the candidates' views on the coronavirus outbreak than to what they are saying about the economy, healthcare, or immigration. And more people think Biden is better suited to guide the country through the crisis. Overall, 45% of adults in the United States said they approved of Trump's job performance, while 48% said they approved of the way he has responded to Covid19, up 5 and 6 points, respectively, from a similar poll that ran last week. Trump's approval numbers have been up and down over the past few weeks, however, and it is not yet clear if the public is truly rallying around the president. Meanwhile, 45% of registered voters said they would back Biden in the November 3rd election, while 40% said they would vote for Trump. Biden has maintained a small advantage in support among registered voters over the last 4 weeks. The poll was conducted with most Americans forced indoors to protect themselves from the coronavirus that has infected more than 600,000 people in the United States and killed more than 25,000. After initially downplaying the threat of the virus, Trump has conducted a series of combative news briefings during which he has harangued reporters for criticizing him. Biden, meanwhile, has struggled to remain in the conversation as the media focused on briefings by governors in some of the hardest-hit states. When asked what was most important to them when deciding how to vote in November's presidential election, 32% of Americans said it was the candidate's plan to help the nation recover from the coronavirus. A smaller number said the candidate's views on the economy, 21%, healthcare, 13%, or immigration, 5% were most important. 52% of Americans said they felt that Biden was better suited to deal with the coronavirus, while 48% said they thought Trump would be better. 57% also thought Biden would be a better steward of the country's healthcare system, while 43% said Trump would be better. Trump, however, had the edge when the public was asked who would be better for the U.S. economy, 53% to 47%.